Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. I am going to be doing a Bath & Body Works unboxing. I've been purchasing a lot of Bath & Body Works stuff for the past month. Since I got a pretty good haul, I want to share it with you guys. This is my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt. Me and Ariana got the same shirt. Amaya and Samaj got the same shirt as well. We went to go see the movie yesterday and it was amazing. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys. It does come out today, which is August 2nd, but you know how we do. We have first dibs to be able to go see the movie. And I still got the shirt on because we went to go see it yesterday evening and I woke up like this. Also, before we get started with this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you will be notified when I post my next video. Like I said, I've been shopping at Bath & Body Works for like the past month. They've been having some really great deals. My recent purchase just got delivered yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys my previous items that I got from Bath & Body Works. And today's trash day. You might hear a lot of the garbage trucks outside. They're very loud. I apologize. Today I decided to record in my room because of the light it's giving, and plus the background looks amazing, so had to record in the room. So the first one I'm gonna show you guys is Cotton Candy Clouds. This is a body cream and the decorations on here is so pretty. It just gives you those good old summer vibes. I'm gonna read the fragrance notes for the ones that I love the most. So this one has spun sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. It smells so good. It's just giving a really sweet scent. That is what you get if you purchase that one. Next we have Watermelon Mojito. This is a body lotion. The fragrance notes on this one is watermelon soda, pink rum, and cane sugar. And it smells just like watermelons, except for it got like watermelon mixed with sugar. We got Indigo Dreams, and this is a body lotion. I'm currently wearing this one and it is my favorite. Bergamot Water Glowing Amber Warm Musk, giving like fresh clean linen vibes. Simply Unwind Saddlewood and Vanilla. This is one of the aroma therapies.
It's the trucks going by for me.
This one smells nice. I have two aroma body lotions. I'm not sure if it's this one or the other one. I can't find it. One of them smells really good, but then once you put it on, it's like the fragrance changes. This one smells really good. It doesn't tell you the fragrance notes on this one though. Midnight Amber Glow, which is a body lotion. This one I actually got for my fiance, but I love this one a lot. Anything with amber in it smells really, really, really good. This smells so good. I might take it from him. He don't need this one. Smooth Amber Caramel Latte and Vanilla Bourbon. Woo! I have to get this one for myself. Next we have Ocean. This is a body wash. I hate that you can't see these. There we go. Cute little mini travel size. This is for my fiance. It smells like cologne, of course. Usually with any of the men items from Bath & Body Works, I don't really care for, but this one actually smells really good. And of course I have the Japanese Cherry Blossom Fragrance Mist. I have the lotion in this, but I never had the body mist. That one actually smells a little bit better than the lotion. Time to open the package. To be honest, I kind of forgot everything that I purchased. So this is the box. Everything in here is pretty much travel size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's 11 items in the box. And this one was actually supposed to be in the box as well, but they shipped it by itself. I don't know why, because I ordered them together. Shea Butter hand cream. It's pretty cute. Oh, that smells nice. It has a really nice light scent. And I got these little hand creams because You just have to have a hand cream with you at all times. Breathe Deep. This is one of the aroma scents. It's super bright. You can't even really see it like that. This one is giving Irish Spring or Zestfully Clean bar soaps. I'm definitely gonna keep that one on me because it's aroma. I got this one as a set for my fiance. Both of them are Ocean body wash, and this is the body cream. I'm guessing this one smells just like that. The shower gel you can smell a lot more than the body cream. Maybe when he put it on you can smell something, but I can't smell anything. We have the Bourbon body cream, and this is so cute. I'm loving that red and black. Oh, this one smells nice. I can't really smell them as good as I want to, and I don't want to put them on because it's for him and not me. I also got him this Bourbon cleansing bar. That is what the set looks like. You could kind of smell the bar through the paper, and it's definitely giving fresh scent. Next, I have Lavender and Vanilla Aromatherapy. That's that one. This one is definitely giving Johnson & Johnson's baby body lotion. That one smells good. I'm gonna have to use that one tonight, especially because it's aroma. This one might help me get some good night's rest tonight. I got this Dream Bright cleansing bar for myself. It has diamonds all over it. It smells pretty good. It kind of smells a little fruity in a way. I think it's pronounced Nor. Cleansing bar. It kind of looks like a set, but I could have sworn I got him like a body lotion to go with that bar. I think I got this one for free, if I'm not mistaken. This one is Wild Sand. This one smells familiar, but it smells really good at the same time. Underwater Oasis. Love the bottle. It's giving diamond vibes. Woo! Ooh, it's strong. It smells like alcohol. I don't think I would spray it as much because it smells very strong. It smells nice. I just don't know how much of that I would use on myself. This one is Sensual Amber. I think all of these bottles is actually their newer fragrances, and anything that I've gotten from Bath & Body Works with notes of amber smells really nice. The name is Sensual Amber, so it better, ooh. It better live up to its name is what I was gonna say. I recommend this one along with the Indigo Dreams. Of course, my favorite Japanese Cherry Blossom. Last but not least, the Wild Sand. These all smell really good. They had a back to school sale going on, so I got all of those travel size for $3. For these, they were $2. I've been recording videos every single day because I'm trying to get back on track with my YouTube. So I have a lot of videos planned. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much. I love you and see you in the next one. Peace.